अभी मार्क्स दूंगा ना, तब देख लेना। Tata Classes is taking time to open.
Oh, ma'am, it is on the screen. Is it, ma'am?
Sir,
It has not yet opened. Chalo, when it opens,
sir,
I'll share.
Again, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Is my this screen shared? Somebody can tell me.
No.
No, sir.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So now it
Now it is shared.
Thanks, participants yesterday who said that they wanted to learn about sciences. Although today we have not pedagogy of languages, understanding.
Probably because of that, I was not able to connect everything properly. Now, most probably, it will come. Class X, share. Rumisha, can you see this now?
yes, sir.
Okay. Still slow. Still nothing has appeared on the screen. Only website is shared, but nothing is opened. Something came. It's very cloudy outside. Can this be a reason? It can be a reason. Open up here. In this way, even if it opens, how will it run? So we are left with no other option. I'm back on this PDF.
Sir,
Chal Purvi, start reading. Already discussed earlier, so we are directly starting with the lesson. Yes, beta.
Okay, sir. This is an expert from the Browning version. The scene is set in a school. Frank is a young and Crocker Harris, middle-aged. Both are masters. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has came in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. But the latter has not yet arrived and Frank finds Taplow waiting.
Just a minute, just a minute. Perhaps you started earlier and your voice did not reach. So begin from here once again.
Yes, sir.
Once again.
This is an expert from the Browning version. The scene is set in a school. Frank is a young and Crocker Harris middle-aged. Both are masters. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has came in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. But the latter has not yet arrived and Frank finds Taplow waiting.
Okay. This is an excerpt. What does it mean? Excerpt mean?
sir, a type of play.
What is excerpt? It's a part. Browning version is actually a bigger book, bigger story, longer one. Just a part, a fraction of that, not the complete one. Okay, this is what we mean by excerpt here. So it is just an excerpt from the Browning version. As you can see this here, you can refer to what does it mean. When it comes, we'll see. There are few words given here on top. Before you start reading it, it's better if you refer to a dictionary and find out the meanings of all these words. Probably most of these are no exact proper meaning and the contextual meaning in this lesson, then it will be probably better for you to understand. Okay, so I would expect you to refer to these words and write their proper meanings right in front of these words here in the space given. Okay. School. So it's a school building. Frank is young and Crocker Harris middle aged. Now here we are talking about two teachers, school teachers. One is Frank, another one is Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is middle aged, it means 40, 45, somewhere near 45 and below 50, somewhere there. Frank is quite young. Okay, he's a new teacher, he's a young teacher, and definitely the two different aged teachers have two different approaches. Some are more friendly to students, some may be closer to students. Their way of dealing with the students is different compared to the more experienced ones, more aged ones. So there is a difference. Now, what all that difference is, we are going to see here in this lesson. And how do children consider them? How do children deal with them, or how do children take them? All this we'll see. Both are masters. Tableau is a boy of 16 who has come. See, now the boy here is also of your age. Okay, the boy we are talking about, Tableau, is of your age. So how he thinks, how he understands is all up to your age. Who has come into do extra work for Crocker Harris. He was called by Crocker Harris for some extra work. Now, why extra work? Because he missed some class earlier, he missed some part earlier, and to complete that up, Crocker Harris has called him. But the letter has not yet arrived. Letter means the name that has been mentioned later. Whose name has been mentioned later? It is Crocker Harris. So Tableau is there. He's waiting for Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris has not yet arrived. And Frank finds Tableau that he was waiting there for Crocker Harris. Now, because it is in the form of a play, it's a script you can see. Okay. And the characters are not many. Characters are only two. So can I expect two students, because I have already shared it on the screen. So can I expect two students to read it turn by turn, dialogue by dialogue?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible? Can somebody take initiative?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the names who are
Priyanshu.
reading. Who will read for Frank?
Priyanshu.
Shivam.
Priyanshu. Very nice. Priyanshu will read for Frank. Okay. And who is reading for Tableau?
Sir Shivam.
Shivam. Okay, go
Sir
ahead.
Shivam.
So Purvi, you remain the narrator. As you narrated the earlier part, whenever there is narration part, Purvi will read.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, Frank and Tableau we have. Chalo. Yes,
Frank,
Priyanshu,
do
start.
I
with
know
it.
you?
No, sir.
What's your name?
Tableau.
Tableau. No, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather.
No, sir. I'm still in the lower fifth. I can specialize until next term. That's to say, if I have got my remove all right.
Don't you know if you have got your remove?
No, sir. Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the results like the other masters.
Why not?
Well, you know what he's like, sir.
Continue.
I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term.
Yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris?
I don't, I admit, but that's not criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you?
Yes, sir.
Supposing the answer is favorable, what then?
Oh, science, sir, of course.
Yes, we get all the slakers.
I'm extremely interested in science, sir.
Are you? I am not, not at least. In the science, I have to teach.
Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck.
What is this mug?
से ये क्या लिखा है ये? SCLS.
Agamemnon. Agamemnon. I'll tell you what is it.
And your considered view is that the Agamemnon is mug.
Well, no, sir, I didn't. I don't think the play is muck. Exactly, I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot. Really, a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only meet that way it's taught to us. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong.
You sound a little bitter, Tableau.
I'm rather, sir.
Captain. Eh,
No, sir, extra work.
extra work on the last day of school?
Yes, sir. And I might be playing golf. You would think
Wait.
he had have not.
Shivam, beta, wait.
Has,
Shivam, wait.
हाँ sir.
I'm just showing you what is Agamemnon. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's review the plot of the play Agamemnon.
Arey, you took so long time to say yes that I stopped it. I thought it was not audible. Okay, leave it. Just have a look of this little bit. Actually, it's a book and they are talking about literature. When Frank asked him what will he take, what subject will he take for his specialization after his sixth grade, he says science. And then he says that science is better than this muck. He calls that book a stupid book. The book that was kept there, this is the one. Can you see this name? So he calls it a useless, stupid book because he is less interested in literature, and he talks about the story of the book little bit, not in detail. So is the first of the three linked tragedies which make up the Oresteia. This Aeschylus is a very famous playwright. Playwright means who wrote plays like Shakespeare does in English. So it is one written by Aeschylus, and there are two more. So these are the famous ones. What is this? It's a story, it's a plot. The play opens as a watchman jealously recognizes the signal indicating that Troy. Troy ये आपने नाम जरूर सुना होगा, मूवी भी देखी होगी. देखी है किसी ने? वुडन हॉर्स. Am I not audible to the class? नहीं
Sir,
सुनी
you
है
are
तो no.
audible.
At least say no. No, but no one is responding. So I'm lost. I feel that because in earlier class also connection was lost once or twice. So if you don't respond, it seems that we are not connected. Because screen is shared, I cannot see anybody. Rumisha, you can keep responding. Even if it is no, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Rumisha,
Yes, sir.
बोलते रहा करो बेटा. हाँ मुझे पता चलता रहेगा कि हम कनेक्टेड हैं. When Troy has fallen and that Agamemnon will uh, therefore soon be headed home. So he was to, after the fall of Troy, he was to get back the Korean War in all the fateful relations. Brad Pitt was the actor in this movie, if you watched. So this is the story. Where is our screen? Here it is. Okay, so they are talking about a book of literature, and he says that he doesn't like that, and he prefers studying science. Though Frank says that all the students who are not very good, they come because because Frank is a science teacher, and he says that the students he is getting in science stream are not that good. And this guy Taplo says that he is good at that. He is more interested at science compared to literature. When he says compared to literature means he says compared to arts, to humanities. So compared to humanities, he prefers taking up science. And what other discussion went on there, that he asked him what was he doing there, and he says that he has been called there and he has been called for some extra work. Frank was surprised that extra work on the last day of the school. Who calls for extra work on the last day? One more thing that they have discussed is that because next day was their result, and he says that most of the times, most of the teachers, they already tell their children what is the result. And in case of Crocker Harris, he doesn't tell because he follows the rules, and what was of that particular session, the headmaster announces the remove. The remove is the result. So Crocker Harris doesn't do anything against rule. So he waits till the last day, and that is the reason why Taplo gone in this earlier part of the story. So seeing all this, we can understand one thing, that these two persons who are strangers in the say, why I'm saying so, because Frank has not yet started teaching Taplo. Taplo also doesn't know him because he has not yet reached there. But when they come to know that yes, they belong to the same school, he's a teacher and he is a student very soon getting into the next grade. So the discussion goes on, and the discussion is about the teacher. So is the scene clear now? What's going on here? A teacher and a student talking about third teacher who is not there. Now, in one teacher's absence, what all might have been discussed there, would have said about him. All this we are going to see here. Yes, continue, Shivam.
Yes, sir. And I might be playing golf. You had think he had have enough to do anyway himself. Considering he's
You
leaving.
would think.
So what?
You would think. ये जो आपने अभी just read किया ना बेटा?
हाँ, sir.
You apostrophe D. Okay.
हाँ, sir.
So it is not you had. It is you would think that, and this one is had. That again would. He would have. Okay.
Himself, considering he's leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am. And look at the weather, sir.
Bad luck. Still, there's one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work.
Well, I'm not sure, sir. That would be true for the ordinary masters. All right, they just won't. They just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after his taking extra work. But those sort of rules don't apply the Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir?
No? What?
My dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Do you know, sir, I think he may have marked me down rather than up more for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human. Sorry, sir, I gone too far.
Yes, much too far.
Sorry, sir, I got carried away.
Taplo.
Yes, sir.
What was the Crocker Harry said to you? Just repeat it. Would you?
My dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more.
Not in the least like him. Read your
ये क्या था? What is this thing? Priyanshu, just a minute. What is this thing here? When Frank asked him, what was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? And then Tableau repeats. Tableau has already made this statement earlier here. Tableau has already said this thing here. And Frank asked him to say this once again here. Do you understand what is going on? Yes,
No, sir.
no.
No, sir.
See, the statement is, my dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. This statement was made here, here I have given by Tableau. But when he was telling this to Frank, he, if I ask Mr. Crocker Harris about my result, this would be his response. When Tableau told this thing in front of Frank, he said this imitating the style of speaking or voice of Crocker Harris. Sometimes when you talk about somebody, that he would say this, you say that in the style of that person, don't you? You imitate. So Tableau also imitated, Tableau also copied the way of speaking of Crocker Harris. And when he did this, Frank enjoyed. And when Frank enjoyed, he asked him to do it once again. Now have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Earlier when he
Yes,
imitated
sir.
him, he said, sorry sir, have I gone too far? And Frank says, yes, much too far. हाँ ज़्यादा ही हो गया थोड़ा, है ना? Because he copied him. Then once again he apologizes, say I got carried away, and he says evidently yes, but he asks him to do it once again. That means he was also enjoying. If a student is imitating another senior teacher, this young teacher enjoys that and asks him to do again. Yes, carry on. Start reading.
Asia Lux.
Hmm?
Priyanshu,
What happened?
लाइट अप कर
ब्रेक कर
दीजिए।
दीजिए वर्कबैंड।
क्या कर दूं?
सर स्क्रॉल। हाँ सर।
अच्छा, हाँ।
Look what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here?
6:30 sir.
Well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before lock up.
Oh no, I couldn't cut. Cut the croc, Mr. Crocker Harris. I shouldn't think it's even been done in the whole time he's been there. Here. God knows what would happen if I did. He'd probably follow me home or something.
I must admit, I envy him the effect he seems to have on you boys
Probably.
in the form. You will seem scared to death of him. What does he do? Beat you all or something?
Good Lord, no. Good Lord, no. He's not a sadist like one or two of the others.
I beg your pardon.
A sadist, sir, it is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain.
Indeed, but I think you went on to say that some other masters.
Well, of course, they are, sir. I won't mention names, but you know them as well as I do. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand a thing. But, sir, you are different. You are young. Well, comparatively, anyway, you are science. You must know what sadism is.
Good Lord, what are our schools coming to?
Anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. That's what I'm saying. He wouldn't be a he wouldn't be so frightened if he were, because at least it would show he had some feelings. But he hasn't. He's all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems to hate people to like him. It's funny that I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked.
Okay. And then he corrected Mr. Crocker Harris. Once here in this paragraph and once earlier also. He said Croc and then corrects and says Mr. Crocker Harris. Now here in this paragraph, he calls him Croc and then doesn't correct. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, the Croc isn't a sadist. Now this time he calls him Croc. What does it mean?
Sir, maybe the
What does it
Tableau is
mean?
more comfortable now with Frank.
Have sometimes they have a tendency of giving names to their teachers, calling them by sometimes their first name or by some other name or giving a nickname or something like that. So these children used to call him Croc. His name is Crocker Harris, but they called him Croc. So in a flow, twice by mistake, he said Croc in front of corrects. But when it happens third time, he doesn't correct it because now he is frank with Frank. He is quite open. He is quite comfortable talking about because now he see children. He is a 16-year-old boy, but children also now after some time they start realizing, they start understanding how is the person feeling. And now Tableau understood that the teacher Frank is enjoying talking about Crocker Harris. He is having fun in talking about him. or talking funny things about him. So now he is opening up and he has started using this kind of words for him, this kind of name for him. I hope this much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not asking you to read any further. It's already 38. Actually, I wanted to share the video of Tata classes, but the net did not help us. So I'll share that video in the next class first, and then we'll continue reading this. And along with this, today on your WhatsApp group, I'll share the notes of this lesson. All the notes of this lesson that we have. So I'll share that. I will expect you to go through those notes once. And after watching that video of 5-6 minutes first, we'll continue reading this and we'll continue discussing this lesson. Meanwhile, you will understand what's going on in this. The basic thing is that how does he feel about his teacher? How does he share this with a new teacher? How does new teacher enjoy talking about him, and how does he open up with him? One word was used here, sadist. Have you understood the meaning of sadist?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So that someone enjoys that if somebody is in pain.
Somebody who takes somebody is in pain. Somebody takes pleasure in other person's pain or giving them pain. Such people are called sadist, and Taplow says he is not sadist. Now you know. He is strict. He sticks to rules. He follows rules. He is not that friendly with children. He doesn't open up with children. Still, the boy says he is strict but not sadist. He may have that kind of impression, he may have that kind of image, but he's not that kind of a person actually. Taplow clarifies this in front of Frank. Even if he is strict, Taplow is not speaking anything against him. Okay. Later on, there was one more statement, which was the last statement of what we have read today. The last one that Priyanshu read today. No, not Priyanshu. Shivam read today. That he doesn't like being liked by others. Was this the last statement today?
Yes, sir.
He doesn't like being liked by others. What does it mean?
Sir, that he doesn't care that if somebody like him or not.
Yes, he doesn't care for that. He doesn't attempt for that. He doesn't do things that people start like. Sometimes you try and become unnecessarily too kind. Sometimes you try and become unnecessarily too friendly, which is not actually needed. Sometimes you compromise that you will be liked by others. Compromise with the rules, compromise with the policies, compromise with the with what is right and what is wrong, with your ethics. So all that is not needed. Just for the sake of being liked by others. He says Crocker Harris is not a person like that. Even if students do not like him, even if students call him by different names, even if students fear him, whatever. But he does what is right. He does what is ethically correct. So this is his personality. He doesn't deviate from the correct way of dealing with the students. Fine, that's it. So let us stop here. Rest we'll do in the next class. After this class, I'm sharing notes with you on your WhatsApp group, and video will be shown in the next class. Then further discussion will be done. Okay. Anything that you wish to ask? Any question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Teplo said he is in lower fifth. What does this mean and which class he is?
That's a little difficult question. Why? Because somewhere they call it standard, somewhere we call it class, right? So now he says he is in 5th grade, and in 6th grade onward he will be taking specialization subjects. Okay, one thing. Second thing, he is 16 years old. Now grade is 5th. I cannot say grade 5th is class 5th, because age is 16, which is equal to your age. He's opting for the subjects in the next grade. So if he opts for the subject in next grade, in this grade means when you are in class 11th, you have opted your science or commerce streams or humanities streams. So you are opting. So this is the stage when you are of this age and when you are opting for a specialization subject. So that, if we talk about our education system that is there in our country, we call it after 10th. So this is 10 plus 1 you are in. Okay, which has yesterday been changed. Now there will be a new system according to new education policy that is introduced yesterday itself. So now it won't be 10 plus 2. Now it will be 5 plus 4, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, a new system. So systems keep on changing. Now this story is set in some other background, in some other country. So there they are calling it 5th grade. हो सकता है there is a possibility that 2 years they call 1 grade. We can't say. There is a possibility. Ruvisha,
Yes,
do you
sir.
understand this? There is a possibility that they call 2 years time 1 grade. There is a possibility. So I'm just making a guess. I'm also just making a guess, considering that boy's age and specialization subject and all this. I hope I have made the point
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Any other question? Chalo, Sairam, you can start leaving the class.
Sairam sir.
Sir,